You hear that? You hear that? The hi-hat, the different little licks and the ins and the outs. That's another part of what we like to call gospel chops. You know, using your hi-hat, being able to incorporate your cymbal, adding little bitty things to the music, just that stick out when you're playing the groove and when you're hearing a person singing and whatever accents may come. We like to add with the hi-hat just a little bit. So this part of the lesson is incorporating the hi-hat into your playing a little bit more. Okay, so you have yourself grooving and you hear the person singing and they have like these little accents. So I'm gonna show you just a little bit. Listen, pay close attention. That's just taking it fast. Now let me slow it all the way down for you. This incorporates your left foot. I know a lot of times you learn playing the groove and playing jazz to just keep the, you know, the pulse with your foot. So that's just a little bit adding it with jazz. You know, in gospel style drumming, we do it really, really quickly, really fast, really, really quick, like this. Right there, that was the really, really quick stuff. Really simple though. It looks really hard, right? Double stroke rolls. Open that hi-hat, just placing that right amount of spice. I'm gonna give you something real quick. Here it goes.